Hello everyone, today we are going to play the Wolf. What do the people call the Wolf? And look, and also let me explain the game. So in this game, you can upgrade your wolf, but the great thing, you can be a wolf. Rate us. No, I don't like wolf that much. Yes, I like this, but I like this video. I like this game, but let's get on this game. It's called the Wolf. You can be the wolf, and you can upgrade yourself as a wolf. You can hunt food, and you can just go to PvP, to battle, and you can battle with wolves, other wolves, wolf versus wolf. And also in this game, you can customize your wolf. Like not putting clothes. I meant like your skin of the wolf. Yeah, like a skin of a wolf. So let's get on. Let's jump through the game, and let's get on to the game. And we're gonna get in the world, and we're gonna meet friends. And I'm asking if they want to be our friend or girlfriend or something else. So let's get into the game and let's do it. So I don't know.
Hey everyone, Pixel from the War Dragons team here. Today we're going to take a look ahead at a new feature coming to War Dragons.
I don't care.
Armor. Armor is a way to take the dragons you love and make them look even more awesome. Head to your dragon's den and you'll see a new armor button. Armor pieces will drop for specific dragons and it will be cosmetic only. For now. Do you have an idea for a cool armor set? We'd love to hear it.
Good.
War Dragons. Download for free on your mobile device.
I'm not gonna download it. Well, I will, but you have to ask me if you want me to, guys. Leave a comment below if you want me to download this game. So, I'm a male. This is how male looks like, and that's the female looks like. I'm a male. Let me just be like a male. And that's me. Gray wolf, Mexican, white wolf, and a black wolf. Guys, we're gonna be black wolf. Okay, so you guys see, it's a C-O-O-P hunting, and then the other one you have to unlock, reach to level 5 to play PvP arena. So let's get onto this game and get on to Co-OP hunting. I don't know how to say it, but let's get out this game. We can just visit our friends. We can just do whatever we want. Like anything. Let's just get in the game and let's do it. Okay, so the Wolf Online Simulator. Look, all these little friends are going around, but I don't care. I hate rats. Look at me. I'm so awesome. And look at my shape. Oh wait, I said shape, right? And that means... Wait, I'll be right back, guys, and I'll see you something else. But I'll be right back.